Good morning. Well, today we're going to be doing an air filter change on a 2017 model Honda PCX 150cc. So the tools you're going to need are very simple really. All you really need is a screwdriver. I'm going to use a ratchet screwdriver, but any screwdriver will suffice. Of course, you're going to need the air filter to replace the old one with. I've got a knife there so I can just open the packaging. So let's now open the package, see what we've got, and then start to begin to change the filter. Okay, let's just open the package. Ordered this from Bangkok a few days ago. It's come yesterday evening. As you can see, that is a genuine Honda part, and the part number that I require for this particular bike is that there. Let's just get the filter out of the bag, and that is the filter. Okay, let's now start and change the filter. So this is the panel that the filters are located behind, and we need to take that off with the screwdriver. There's 7 screws, Phillip head screws all the way around, so we're just going to remove those screws to access the filter. Okay, last screw to go. Just hold the panel while you take the screw out. There we go. Put the panel off, and there you can see the filter. That's due for a change. So we just replace the filter as we took it back out. So it goes on like that. Back on, and then we just refit the screws in to the filter, and the job is complete. So a very straightforward and easy job to do yourself. No need to take it to the Honda garage. This bike now is 4 years old. We were servicing it by Honda, but I am an automotive technician, so we don't really need to have it done any longer by Honda now. As I say, it's 4 years old, so I'm doing the maintenance on the bike myself. And actually I find that when you do it yourself, you know the job's been done right, because we had some shock absorbers replaced on the bike about a year ago, and they're adjustable ones, and I found out the other day when I did a rear tyre on it, on the bike, because I've just recently changed the rear tyre, the shock absorbers hadn't been set correctly. So sometimes it does pay to do the work yourself, and then you know that the job's being done right. There we go, all the screws back in, almost. We've got 2 more to go. Last one. Just give them a final nip up, just to make sure they're all nice and tight. Go. Job done. Well, only a short and quick video, but I hope you've enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos coming similar to this, and with me knocking about, riding around the island very shortly. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.